Son of a bitch. Man, that was like the weirdest brake squealing I have heard. We're just taking it easy. Just installed some new brake pads. I swapped my rears to the fronts that got contaminated with some oil on the pads. I could not get them clean. I tried for a couple days with some brake cleaner, some good scrub-a-dubbing. No success, so I just moved the back brake pads to the front. I'll stop here real quick. Good to see it stop good. And then on the back there, you can see the gold tips of the new brake pads. I got some top brakes for the rear. So far, I gotta say, it's definitely tighter. Doesn't feel as spongy. I feel like maybe there still could be a little grinding going on the front, but let's see. I'm gonna switch my camera here over to the right hand. I wanna test out these front ones. I'm only going 5 miles an hour right now. So I didn't hear the noise. I was getting a pretty bad noise. True test is let's get some speed. Let's try this with some speed. That's good. I'd say that's a success. I like the little gold tips.